Good morning guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I wanted to do a real quick video on my entire RAE DUNN collection because I have gotten a lot of requests. And another thing is we are getting ready to move in just a couple weeks, so I'm literally going to be packing 99% of this up. So I figured while I had it out, before I got out the bubble wrap and the boxes and the tape, I would quickly film a collection video. I have been into RAE DUNN for about 3 years. My first pieces ever were a gift from my friend Nikaya when we did a box swap. I think it was like 3 years ago. She got me my first pieces, which I'll show you in a minute. And ever since then, I have really loved her pieces. Most of this stuff, I would say about half of this were gifts from friends, from family, and the other half I have collected on my own in the past 3 years. I consider this to be a small collection, mainly because I've seen people with hundreds and hundreds of pieces. Some people display it and use it. Some people just display it, and some people just use it. I am one of the people that actually uses every piece in my, again, what I think is a fairly small collection, especially since this has been collected and compiled over 3 years. So I'm going to show you everything I have. I'm going to start on the left and work my way over. So my most recent piece, my mom sent me, it is the little bunny like Easter collection, and it's the 2-compartment little candy dish. So my mom just sent me that for Easter. I got this from my friend Kate Schwenke on our Christmas holiday box swap. It's like a little nutcracker dish. You could put candy or nuts in it. And then I have a Merry Xmas one. This is one that I found over the holiday season, and I actually used it for Hershey Kisses and mints for Christmas. And then I have some bowls here. So I have one that says ramen. I have one that says munch. I have one that says good morning. I have one that says eat. And then lastly, I have one that says love. I don't have any repeats in my collection, if you're curious. I have a butter dish, and I actually use it. I actually have butter in there right now. So I actually use, again, I use all of these items, whether it's for drinking or eating or cooking or decor or storage. This is my sugar bowl, which I actually keep sugar in. For the large letter jars, I only have cookies. I have seen flour and tea, but I'm just not interested in those. Again, I only buy what I'm going to use unless I know I'm going to gift it. So I have the large letter cookie jar, and I plan to use this on my counter in my new home in just a couple weeks. And then the rest of the jars mostly were gifts. So I have this one here that says sweets on it. I have this Christmas one that says fa la la. I have a smaller Christmas jar that says joy. I have a Bear Treats jar. I have a jar that says eat, which I also got from my friend Kate Schwenke on our holiday box swap. I have this little ladybug jar. And these jars I use as decor. Obviously the Christmas ones I put out on Christmas. These two I used on Christmas as well. This is kind of a neutral one, and so is this. I have a Icon line spoon rest, which I keep on my stovetop to rest spoons on. I have a little cat dish, which I use for my cat all the time for her dry food. These oval plates, the 2 top ones, Taste and Nibble, are my first 2 pieces ever that I got again from that first box swap I did about 3 years ago with my friend Nikaya over at House of Mies. And then these 2 Jingle and Deck the Halls I got this past holiday season, and I used them all the time. I like these oval dishes for Sundays during football season because we do a lot of munchies, and they're perfect for like appetizers or making up little plates of like little munchies. And then the rest are all mugs, and I would say out of everything in this collection, I use all my mugs the most because I drink like 2 to 3 cups of coffee every day. So I have one that says I woke up like this. I have one that says coffee. I have hubby and wifey, so my husband always grabs this one. I have this orange interior one that says Happy Halloween. I have this one that says Hey Girl. I have a Valentine's one that says Love You with a red interior, and then I have the orange pumpkin spice with the orange interior. And these I use every single day, even if it's not the right season. Like I'll use a pumpkin spice one in May. I just rotate them and they're constantly in and out of the dishwasher. So again, everything here, I use it on a regular basis, with the exception of obviously the holiday ones, which I put up in January. But I'm really happy with all the things that I have because I use them all in a functional way. When I do buy new RAE DUNN, if I know I'm not going to use it, I'll pass, and then if I see something that a friend would like or a family member would like, I'll purchase it for them. So that is my collection. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you have your own collection and maybe did a video. I would love to see it. Have a great day, guys, and I will see you in my next video.